What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rafa, S1K Rafa here again. You're probably wondering, what the hell? This is not a bike. Yeah, it's my truck. This is my daily driver, 2023 GMC Sierra SLT, I believe, fully equipped with whatever I need, which I don't really need. But and then you got the beautiful S1000RR here, my baby, my favorite. Obviously, I'm about to go get a quick loop in. I'm gonna meet up with the boy Mess. I know y'all missed him here in one of the videos I posted, so you know, I got to bring him back. But we do have Rinser here that showed up, pulled up to my crib. They're actually taking care of the baby, the daily baby actually, not the bike. And if you hit them up on IG, which I'll put it right here, they'll more than happy pull up to your crib, wash your car, truck, van, SUV, 18-wheeler, whatever you want. They'll just hit them up, ask them, tell them your boy S1K Rafa sent you their way, and they'll definitely take care of you for sure. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to the bike. That's what you're here to see, and let's go meet up with Mess. This guy's actually one of the owners, I believe. He was kind of telling me the backstory to it. Today's beautiful weather. Horrible yesterday. Today's like perfect. How much you want to bet Maz is going to beat me to the spot? We're supposed to meet up at the bridge downtown. Alright, without fast forwarding, without rewinding the video, I want you guys to tell me if y'all saw anything different on the bike at the beginning of this video. Just go down below right now, be honest, and tell me if you saw anything different on the bike. I need you to be 100% honest. Tell me. There's something different on the bike. Very minor, but I'll show you guys right now when I get to the spot. In my visor. No. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I knew I was gonna get some horrible traffic. Oh my god. I freaking knew it. Oh man, and I hate going through the side because, man, I don't even want to jinx it. You be getting flats and shit. You guys heard, but we had a Dallas police bust for street racing here a couple of days ago. It was all over the news, Spanish news, English news, whatever you guys see.
Tonight, Dallas police are cracking down on street racing, arresting 8 people on motorcycles at 635 and Luna Road.
And unfortunately, they did arrest about, I think it was 8 people, if I'm not mistaken. Some of those people, I'm not going to say names, but very unfortunately, supposedly they're cracking down street racing, which is...
WFAA's Sydney Persing is live there tonight with how these arrests address a growing problem. Sydney?
Well, Teresa, I can tell you DPD made those arrests in just the last several hours, and officers tell me this is the danger zone, that they received several complaints over several months about dangerous and illegal street racing in the Texpress lanes of 635. And I want our viewers at home to to take a close look at this video. We were there the moment officers found the guys that they were looking for. Again, that was at a quick trip right off 635. You see that group of bikers, and you see officers cuff them, put them in the back of a truck, and take away their bikes. Those 8 people we learned were arrested are all between the ages of 22 and 39. 6 were arrested for racing on a highway, 1 for obstructing a highway, and another for spectating a race.
Honestly, if you ask me, it's something that I don't feel like I fall under the category. I have talked to a few of my close friends here in Dallas at least, and even outside of town, and they're asking me if I'm concerned. And I mean, yeah, it's something to be concerned about, but I will tell you this. That's literally for street racing, right? I don't consider myself a street racer because I don't do the whole road racing. I really don't. I tried a few years back, and that's when I busted my bike and it started acting up. So never again. Yeah, it's cool, but I don't think I'll ever stretch my bike. I don't think I'll ever do all that kind of stuff. Hey, no offense to all the road racers out there. I mean, some of y'all I know personally, so I mean, like I said, to each their own, right? That's just personal preference. Crazy stuff out there, man. But hopefully everybody stays safe out there, and just don't do stupid shit. I don't think with this traffic, me and Mess are going to be able to rip it. I had somebody comment down below that when I asked y'all what y'all want to see, y'all said for me and Mess to kind of rip it a little bit. We talked about it, we agreed on it, give it a little bit of action, but this is not going to be the time. With this traffic, it's impossible. We are going down to Houston. Hopefully this video's up before we go down there. I'm gonna try to make it. I'm gonna try to make this video go live. If not, then disregard the last few words I just said. But we're going down to Houston. We're gonna meet up with a few guys out there. Domino, Reckless, Jag, Be Quick, the Twins. Few out there. I think Rando's gonna be there. Rando HP4. I've been texting with a few of these guys, and we're all excited. So we're gonna do like I mean, I'm gonna meet up with the boys first, right? And then later on during that Sunday ride, we're gonna drop an address on our story, so stay tuned. Y'all can pull up to that address, say what's up, hang out, and then maybe after that, maybe we can catch a small ride. Since I don't know my way around Houston, I don't know about that. We'll have to Jag probably guide us. You probably can't see shit in here right now because of my lens, but boom, 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 boom. Oh, that's actually a cop. What the fuck? Holy shit. That's a cop, cut. That's a legit cop. Legitimate cop. Damn, that's a cop. Yeah. That's a cop. I ain't giving him a reason though to pull me over, I'll tell you that. Bro, there's traffic everywhere. This is gonna be a fail. But I haven't seen Papa in a minute. Even though we talk to each other almost every day. It's my boy. Haven't seen him in a good minute though. It's been a week at least. You're probably like, goddamn, a week, that ain't shit. I think I'm getting better at talking here on the mic by myself. Because at first it was kind of awkward and I didn't know what to say. Now it's more like natural, like it's kind of coming out on its own without me even thinking about it. But, oh, he's not here. What? Oh no, he is here. Fuck, I'm about to get it. Fuck! I gotta beep that out. He's gonna be mad. I mean, he's not even looking at me, bro. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. He's not looking at me. He's mad because I'm late. He's gonna be mad. Look, let me walk up to him and say what's up. What up, Papa? You get some traffic?
Nuh-uh. I mean, just a little
Nothing.
bit. Just a little bit, yeah.
Oh shit, I got some bad traffic. Telling here the people that, you know, I'm always late.
Yeah.
You're probably mad.
Nah.
Not this time?
Vlog up here.
Alright, so we got the two beautiful bikes here with the background you've seen before. So as I was saying, if you guys didn't notice something new on the bike, I'm about to tell you what it is. I hope you're ready. The bike got a new little accent to it. Thanks to the guys Vendetta right here. Thank you so much, guys, for sending me a brand new seat cover with my name on it. I'd love that. I'll be honest with you guys, the little tags, I'm not really feeling them. I just left them because I'm gonna make a video out of it and tag them and stuff, but I think this has got to go. Vendetta, if you're watching this video, if that's your name, bro, I don't know you personally, but you got to think of a better way to put this in a different location, or maybe just brand it somehow. I mean, it's a bike, you know, it doesn't really go together. But yeah, this is the beautiful seat. I don't know if you can see the details on it, but I'm sure you'll see one of my reels and you'll see it. But you got the matching carbon here with the BMW colors, BMW stitching, of course, my name. Not really sure what the 1 out of 25 means. I'm guessing he's only going to make 25 for the M package BMW. But other than that, that's the new accent of the bike. Love it. I love the seat. I had to take it up to some people I know that do upholstery, and they were able to install it here. They're pretty quick, but thanks Vendetta for the seat. I love it. Thanks guys so much. All right. Well, none big's gonna happen. We're just gonna head down to Deep Ellum. Probably just stop by somewhere, kill some time. We really wanted just to ride, but it's gonna be impossible. Look at all these cars just roaming around. So it's right around 6 o'clock right now, so it's not gonna work out. But at least we get to see the bikes in the beautiful sun. All that carbon just exposed. It looks beautiful, so I can take that over anything. Rather do that than, you know, just be home or whatever. What do you guys think about the new seat I just showed y'all? Give me feedback on that. Maz was that was his first time seeing it too, so he was kind of telling me that it's popping a little bit too much. But what do you guys think? I don't know. Let's go. Next one out this way, right? Yeah. Alright, let's get it. Brother, look at the kids. Yeah? Yeah, your shit on. What's up, my boy? Matching gloves, man. You gotta get the best. You gotta get the best. If they don't know, they don't know. Man, if you need some gear, you gotta stop by Dyna's in Dallas. You gotta hit them up. That was the first gear wheelie. That's pretty good. They're getting better. They're getting better. They'll get there one day. They're getting better. I'll be honest with y'all, rides just hit different when I'm with this guy. It's like it's fun. People are always asking for a rev, bro. Sometimes you just gotta give it to them. Makes you feel good. Yeah, man, last time I was shooting with Caden for bike night, which is the previous video. Man, that night was cold too. Today's actually like about 70, 72 degrees, so it's perfect weather. It's not cold, but it's not hot to where like it feels hot with the jackets. We should have pretty good weather for Houston. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because it's been kind of raining, but if it doesn't rain, we'll be all right. We'll have a good turnout. There's a spot. It's a chicken spot. I think they just opened here in Dallas. I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, we got to check it out. It's called Hottie's. Is that what it says? Hottie's Beast. Yeah, Hottie's Beast Chicken. So it just opened here in Deep Ellum. Let's check it out. Let's see how good it is. We didn't know what to do right now. We definitely can't ride, so we're just gonna eat here and I guess head back to the house. The spot is all right. We had we weren't really hungry. We just needed a place to chill since there's a lot of traffic. But we're about to head home, so this is probably gonna be it right here. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. I'm just gonna cut it off here. I'm about to head home. He's gonna head home too. Then we'll chop it off later and then go from there. All right, my boy. All right, hit me up. Yeah, holler at me. Good time seeing the boy. All right, Papa. See you later. Well, like I said, I'm just gonna cut the video off here. I don't even know if my camera's recording good or not, and I did not feel like getting pissed at my editing later down the road when I edit this video. So if you watched the video this far, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, love you guys. It's all love. Make smart decisions out there if you're riding. Don't be stupid. Don't be that guy. Don't get arrested, obviously. We love from your boy Rafa, S1000RR. Till the next time, peace, guys.